You scrolling through Facebook every day, right? Liking pics, watching videos, maybe arguing with some dude about politics. But what if I told you, you could be stacking cash while you do it? That's right, fam. Facebook ain't just for wasting time, it's a gold mine waiting to be tapped. And in this video, I'm gonna break down 5 proven ways you can turn those likes and shares into cold, hard Benjamins. We're talking marketplace hustles, ad game domination, turning your page into an ATM, even building a digital empire, all through Facebook. So buckle up because you're about to get a serious education in the art of the Facebook side hustle. Want to turn your Facebook activity into a money-making venture? In this video, we'll uncover 5 proven strategies to earn money using Facebook. From monetizing your page and running ads to leveraging groups and creating sellable content, we've got it all covered. First up, we're hitting up Facebook Marketplace, baby. This ain't your grandma's garage sale, alright? This is where the real hustlers move inventory. Got old clothes you don't wear? Boom, Marketplace. Furniture gathering dust? Marketplace. Limited edition sneakers? You better believe that's Marketplace gold. The key here is high-quality photos and descriptions. Remember, you're competing with millions of other sellers, so make your stuff pop. Use good lighting, showcase the best angles, and write descriptions that sell the sizzle, not just the steak. And don't be afraid to promote your listings. Share them to your timeline, relevant buy-sell groups, even throw a little budget behind a boosted post if you're feeling spicy. Marketplace is all about hustle, so get out there and move some product. Now let's talk about Facebook ads, the big leagues of Facebook monetization. This ain't for the faint of heart, but trust me, the payoff can be huge. See, Facebook knows everything about its users. Age, interests, relationship status, they got it all. And with Facebook ads, you get to leverage that data to target your dream customer. Want to sell handmade dog collars? You can target people who like specific dog breeds, follow dog training pages, the whole 9 yards. The more specific you get, the better your chances of finding buyers who are actually interested in what you're selling. But here's the kicker. You gotta be smart about it. Don't just throw money at Facebook and hope for the best. Test different audiences, ad copy, even images to see what converts best. Track your results, optimize constantly, and you'll be raking it in before you know it. Chapter 3. Monetizing your page or group. Turning followers into fans and customers. Got a Facebook page or group with a loyal following? You're sitting on a gold mine, my friend. But just having followers ain't enough. You gotta turn them into engaged fans and eventually paying customers. First things first, you need killer content. What kind of content gets people commenting, sharing, and coming back for more? Figure that out, and then deliver it consistently. Become the go-to source for value in your niche. Once you've built that trust and engagement, you can start monetizing. Affiliate marketing is a great option. Recommend products you love and earn a commission on every sale. You can also sell your own products or services, or even collaborate with brands on sponsored posts. Chapter 4. Affiliate Marketing. Leveraging your network for profit. Listen up, because affiliate marketing is the ultimate side hustle game. The basic idea is simple. You promote other people's products or services, and when someone buys through your unique link, you get a cut of the sale. No inventory, no shipping, just pure commission-based goodness. And where better to do affiliate marketing than Facebook, where you've already got a built-in network of potential customers? The key is to be authentic and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Don't just spam affiliate links all over your timeline, nobody likes a shill. Instead, weave them naturally into your content. Provide valuable reviews or tutorials and show your audience how these products can solve their problems or improve their lives. Chapter 5. Digital Products. Building your Facebook empire, one download at a time. Now, if you want to build a real business on Facebook, digital products are the name of the game. Ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, the possibilities are endless. And the best part? Once you create a digital product, you can sell it over and over again without any additional overhead. The key here is to identify a problem your audience has and create a digital product that solves it. Are they struggling to learn a new skill? Create an online course? Do they need help with meal planning? Create a recipe ebook or meal prep template. Once you've got your product, Facebook is the perfect place to market it. Use your page or group to build anticipation, offer exclusive discounts to your followers, and leverage Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. Outro. Level up your life, from scroller to Facebook entrepreneur. So there you have it, fam. 5 proven ways to turn your Facebook time into money-making time. We talked marketplace hustles, ad game domination, building a loyal following, mastering affiliate marketing, and even creating your own digital empire. Now I know what you're thinking. This is a lot to take in, and you're right. But here's the thing, you don't have to do it all at once. Pick one strategy that resonates with you, master it, and then move on to the next. The important thing is to start taking action today. Don't let this information go to waste. Facebook is a goldmine of opportunity, but you gotta be willing to put in the work. So get out there, hustle hard, and I'll see you at the top. Start your journey to financial freedom today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Let's make your Facebook time profitable.